What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nicole and I film all things plus size related. Lots and lots and lots of clothing hauls. I'm hoping to dive back into like family style vlogs and like shop with me's and inside the dressing room type videos. So if any of that sounds of interest to you, don't forget to subscribe. I also have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to follow me there, I will have that linked below. As with all of my videos, every piece that I talk about today will be linked below. Occasionally a piece is out of stock, but I try to link something similar or that same piece like in a different color, so just check the description box for all the good stuff. I feel like this haul is a pretty good mix of stuff. I got lots of tops. Actually, I got lots of bottoms as well. If you guys have been following me a while, my bottom half is very hard to clothe. I feel like bottoms just don't fit me very well. So I got a bunch to try on today. Some worked, some didn't, to be expected. And then I also got a two-piece set, and I don't know if I said it already, but a couple dresses. So if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep watching. The first item I got is a top, and it is this floral button-up. I just thought it was so pretty. I really love the color of it. You know what, now that I'm looking at it, is that even floral print? Like at first glance, I'm like, yeah, it's floral print, and then you really get a good look at it and you're like, might not be. Either way, it is so pretty. It's made of this silky material that is not stretchy, which I always get nervous with items that are not stretchy, but this, it seems to be like an oversized button up, so it fit really well. Love this one, picked it up in a 3X. I have been digging the camo lately. I got a couple camo tops from Fashion Nova months back. One was just like an oversized tee, but it was made of like the softest, stretchiest material. I wear that one all the time with just some yogos, like running errands, like wherever. I just love it. And then I got one that was like a boat neck, I think it's called. More of a fitted long sleeve. I've yet to wear that one out, but it is so cute. Now I feel like we have the summer version because it is a normal like neckline, not the boat neck, but it's short sleeve. This one is definitely more of a fitted crop top. So if you are not into fitted or you're not into cropped tops, then this is not for you, but absolutely love it. Picked it up in a 3X and it's made of a very stretchy, super soft material. It's made of that same material as the oversized tee that I hauled months back, but love it. Then I picked up this like linen looking button-up top. These tags drive me nuts. I really need to take the time to cut them all out. In the beginning of my hauls, I say that all the time, but I never do. One day. This linen look like top, it's not stretchy whatsoever. It has brown buttons going up the top. It does have a pocket here. This one is slightly cropped as well, but I just really like this one a lot. Just so simple, and I feel like you can pair it with anything. I picked this up in a 3X and I thought the fit was wonderful. Next up is a set, and I didn't even realize it was a set until after I finished the try on. So I only tried on the top, but I'm gonna show you guys the bottoms as well. It's this t-shirt that says California, Malibu, has some shells, and I just think it's super cute as just like a comfortable tee to wear on a casual day. Once again, did not realize that it came with some little blue biker shorts, and I love this blue so much. I feel like these are probably too short for me anyway, so I wouldn't wear them, but I like this color combo a lot. I really like this color combination. I picked this set up in a 3X and everything is stretchy. Next up is a pink mesh long sleeve crop top. This one I would say definitely wear a cami or something under it. For the try on portion, I definitely did not, so ignore that. But long sleeve, fully see-through, love the color, love the print. I think this would be really cute since it's more fitted with like some black, like looser pants. I just think, or even like looser jeans, I think would be really, really cute with it. Picked it up in a 3X and it is very, very stretchy. Okay, the next item is a dress, and I love the print of this dress. It is so fun, but still black. Right up my alley. It is a wrap dress, and let me show you the back so you guys can really see the print. Like, how fun is that? I just really like this a lot. keep in mind this is a full wrap dress, so you really have to be careful. Tie that bow real tight. But it's so cute. I love how the sleeves are a little bit longer and a little bit like flouncy and fluttery. I like how it is a pretty low V because it is a wrap. I like how it hits you, you know, right at the waist. You can tie it off, and I love the length of this dress as well. This material is almost kind of like a linen-y type material, but not like, it's not scratchy, it's kind of soft. And it's not stretchy, so keep that in mind. But I feel like this being a wrap dress, you can open it as much as you need. As long as it like closes, you should be good. I picked this up in a 3X and I thought the fit was perfect. Okay, next item is another dress. This one is a black and white dress, and it just has these random, like, it's like a random like striped pattern. I thought this one was really pretty as well. Love the length of it. I like the length of the sleeves a lot. It does button up the entire front of the dress, and then it has a tie belt to cinch you in. This is a like silky type material, not stretchy. I really got a lot of non-stretchy items this go around. Not like me, but it worked out. It really did. Picked it up in a 3X and the fit was perfect. This next item did not work out for me, but I still wanted to show you because they're so cute. These like linen type pants that are black and white, like pinstripe, and they do have pockets. They have a button and a zipper. They just have zero stretch, so unfortunately they didn't work for me, but I like how they're like wide-legged. Like, I love it. Love these a lot. I'm keeping these for when they do fit, which hopefully is soon. Picked them up in a 3X and they did not quite fit, but soon enough. Okay, these next pants. I had a whole vision in my mind for an outfit I would wear. Just a very simple casual outfit. I'm not too sure if these pants like fit me correctly, I'm gonna be honest. They are it has a stretchy waistband, somewhat stretchy of a pant. Has the pinstriping down the sides, which I love. They're a wider leg, and it had a little bit of a slit down at the ankles. Now, I pictured these pants being a little like high-waisted with a little like maybe white crop top, and then just some cute sneakers. Like, I just think that's such a cute, simple outfit, but these pants didn't fit me the way I wanted them to. But like I said, hopefully soon enough these will fit well enough to rock that outfit. Got these in a 3X, tiny bit of stretch. Fit was okay, but could be better. Next pair of pants are these dark gray, almost like slack looking pants. They do have some stretch. I really liked how the back is a full like elastic waistband, but like just in the back. I feel like sometimes I get that gap and it is so frustrating. So I will say these hugged the back of me perfectly, like beautifully. The only thing is, once again, I think these were a little snug because these two cleats here in the front pulled and made like little weird looking flaps. But this is definitely on the keeping list, will fit soon. I loved everything else about them. I think you could make these look so professional. And I just really liked them. Picked them up in a 3X. I got another pair of kind of professionally looking pants. They're just black. They're not skinny, but they're not super wide at the bottom. These ones were very comfortable, super, super stretchy. They do have a button and a zipper. These ones fit really well, and I really liked them a lot. These I picked up in a 3X and I thought the fit was great. Okay, next pair, kind of along the same lines, but it has a tie in the front. These ones fit probably the best because they're just so flowy. A nice gray color, they have pockets. The waistband is fully elastic in the front and the back, and then it has that tie. I think this would be really cute, high-waisted with a bodysuit or a top tucked in. Got them in a 3X and love the way these look. Last thing I got was a two-piece set, and unfortunately this denim is not stretchy at all. I thought I could get away with it, but I definitely cannot. So once again, waiting on this bad boy to fit because I just think it's so cute. Let me put these. So this is the top. It's a tank little cropped denim button up, and it pulls away here at the stomach, like at the end of the buttons, if you can see that. And then the bottoms actually fit. The waist, maybe just the tiniest bit too tight, but I still think, you know, sometimes when you wear something for like a couple hours and then all of a sudden it's like loose, I think that might be the case with these. But they're just a non-stretch denim, very wide, and it looks really good with this vest. Picked this up in a 3X and the fit was okay, a little snug if I'm being honest. So that was everything that I got from Fashion Nova. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you guys have any like video ideas, because I haven't really done much besides try on hauls. So if you guys have any video ideas for me, leave them down below or like DM them to me over on Instagram. Because like I said, I want to get back into the YouTube game. I really do, but I'm in a little bit of a rut. So definitely help a sister out. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.